Hello everyone. Today, Quoc Duy Woodworking Machine would like to introduce you to our specialized machine line for wooden, plastic, and bamboo doors. This is the Semac automatic door lock and hinge mortising and drilling machine. Equipped with 7 motors, this machine simultaneously mills hinges and mortises the lock, allowing you to complete a door panel in just one cycle. This is truly an all-in-one solution for door processing. On the top, you can see the motors used for milling and shaping the details on the door panel surface. Additionally, there is one motor specifically for milling and drilling the positioning holes on both the front and back sides. This particular version is a machine that we have researched and significantly improved to deliver high efficiency in door manufacturing factories across Vietnam and other Southeast Asian countries. To ensure stability and long-lasting durability, all electrical components inside the machine are sourced from renowned global brands such as Siemens and Chint. Contact us today if you need a consultation for a complete door production solution.